Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am heading towards Chembur as I need to just change the chain, and the sprocket is good enough which would last almost 25,000 kilometers, and it is almost 9,700 kilometers done till now. So let's reach Chembur and change the chain that I have ordered. Shanmugh is also going to join as he also has to change the chain sprocket as he has done almost 13,000 kilometers. So he also ordered it from the race customs, the 47 teeth and the 15 teeth front, 15 teeth and the rear 47 teeth. So I'm just changing the air filter. कपड़ा देना ना।
छोटा कमरा कमरा अभी चालू बंद है।
एक मिनट दिखा देता हूँ।
गाड़ी में नहीं, गाड़ी में पता नहीं लिखा हुआ है। रबड़ में टाइट होता है आराम से।
So I've installed the chain and I have changed the air filter. So I'm just ending this video over here. You can follow me on my Instagram ID. My ID is silentbike_kv. So bye bye.